everybody, here is my creation once again, up and running. 4S again, of course, and yeah, no other changes besides that. Besides fixing it. Oh, and we're gonna break it right away again. I did end up, well, it's kind of a sad story, so let's go over the sad story. There we go. So my friend Martin that got me into RC has completely quit RC, and he called me up the other day and said, hey, I'm gonna get rid of my RC stuff, do you want it? And he had a bunch of helicopters and stuff, and I told him I'm not really wanting the helicopters. Whoa! I told him I'm not really wanting the helicopters, but I come look and see what else he got. Oh, I broke a shock already, dang it. And oh well. It looks like I just blew the cap off. Unfortunately, of course, I didn't bring tools, so hopefully I don't mess it up too bad. But yeah, so he called me up, and I went and checked it out, and he had a bunch of stuff, a whole bunch of stuff. So I went ahead and I bought it. I bought his all his truck stuff for pretty cheap. So I think I'm going to retire this thing and go with a much better base. I got a Truckify low seat SCTE, the original. He used to race it, and he has like an obscene amount of parts for it. So I'm gonna go ahead and use that as my creation and retire this thing. But I figured I'd get it out here one last time and just kind of, yeah, just kind of beat it to death maybe. I do want the motor and ESC to stay intact, but as you guys saw last time I brought it out here, I still have a ton of parts for this thing though. So the last time I brought it out here, I actually landed upside down like I did off the first jump, and broke the receiver in half, so that was cool. Every time I bring this thing out, I break something. It's so much fun. This whole thing has been so much fun. And those of you that don't remember what it was, or are new to the channel or whatever, oh, there goes the tire. There goes the tire. Oh. It's all freaking out over there. What happened? I lost the pin. No. Did it shear? Oh yeah. Look at that. It sheared right off of there. Oh, can't even drive it like that. That sucks. Well, guys. Yep. Check that out. That's my creation. I planned on driving it to death today because, like I said, I'm going to go ahead and use the SCTE that I got. But this thing has been so much fun. I don't even know if I want to retire it. I might keep it around. Thumb up if you liked it. Thumbs down if you didn't. Sorry about the short video, but it's windy out here. This thing tends to parachute, as you can see, and I still had quite a bit of fun. Hopefully you guys had fun watching. Check out the description. Get in on the raffle. All right, everybody, till the next video. Peace.